YouTube? It's Craig with Kazworks Woodworking. It's been another great week in the shop. I just finished up this box. There will be a video coming out on that. But in the meantime, by the time you see this video, I'll be up in Maine. I've got some more work to do up there. I'll be meeting my brothers actually up there. Hopefully my son will be with me as well. We'll be spending a couple of weeks just getting some things done that need to be done. So I'm looking forward to that. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Have a great week.